The protection sector, together with the subsectors of gender-based violence, child protection, human trafficking and smuggling, and the group of support spaces of the Interagency Coordination Platform for Refugees and Migrants from Venezuela, counts on 106 partners in 17 countries in Latin America and the Caribbean, and coordinates 168 safe spaces in 7 countries. The strategic priorities for the sector in 2021 are identifying and referring specialized protection services for survivors of gender-based violence, unaccompanied or separated girls and boys, victims of human trafficking, indigenous peoples, and other special protection groups, monitoring of activities at the borders, access to the territory, documentation, asylum, and regularization, inclusion in national protection systems, accommodation, access to justice, mitigation of protection risks, consolidation and management of information for a comprehensive protection analysis, prevention of violence through regional campaigns. In 2020, the protection sector reached 704.3 thousand people through provision of protection services to people with specific needs, including referrals to other key services, legal support to facilitate access to asylum systems and regularization measures, as well as societal protection programs, campaigns with information on key rights and services, such as those related to the prevention of COVID-19 and immunization, strengthening capacities of authorities, community organizations, support networks, migrant and refugee people, and host communities, development of joint analyses in order to make visible and sensitize urgent protection situations, in particular on vulnerable population groups affected by the COVID-19 pandemic, including children and adolescents, women survivors of gender-based violence, people with disabilities, evicted people, and indigenous people. The main needs identified by partners for 2021 are 25% legal assistance to access asylum and alternative migratory statuses, 23% documentation, 15% prevention and response to evictions, 11% birth registrations. This year, the sector aims to reach 1.29 million adults and 349,000 boys, girls, and adolescents with protection services, 163,000 survivors of gender-based violence, 14,300 victims of human trafficking and smuggling, for which $243 million will be needed as established in the Response Plan for Refugees and Migrants from Venezuela 2021. For more information, visit r4v.info.